Do you dream about working from anywhere in the world, wearing anything that you want? Then you might be familiar with the term digital nomad. Digital nomad is a growing community of people who are using the technology to work from anywhere they want and live a location independent lifestyle. This means that the company that you work for or the client that you're working with might be based in a certain country like US, Australia, but you still can work for them from anywhere you want, like from Bali, Thailand, or Vietnam. A year ago, one of my biggest aspiration is to become a digital nomad so I don't have to sacrifice my time to go to the office while still make a full-time income from traveling while working remotely or wearing pajamas while working where I want to. So when I was able to leave my job at a hospital where I work from 9 to 7 to working full-time remotely, I honestly feel liberated. You might be wondering how I managed to do this within 1 year and doing something that's completely different from what I learned in college, from what my college degree is. Today, I'm so excited to share with you guys 7 jobs that you can apply for in 2024 to work remotely, plus where you can apply for these jobs and where you can learn all the necessary skills to get started with these 7 fields. And if you're new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Dian. I'm a digital nomad. I'm currently living in Bali. I quit my job as a doctor in 2023 so that I can pursue my dream of traveling full-time while making a full-time income. So now I work fully remotely in digital marketing and as a content creator. So if you want to learn more of how to get started as a digital nomad, you can click the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my future videos. But without further ado, let's get started. The first job that you can start to work remotely is copywriter. Businesses are always in need of a creative writer to create engaging content for their website, including job posts, blog posts, articles, and reports. So if writing is something that you enjoy, then you can consider this role. The beauty of copywriting is the only thing that you need is just your laptop and an internet connection to get the job done. So to get started, you want to familiarize yourself with the principles of copywriting. This includes persuasive writing techniques, understanding the target audience, and crafting compelling messages. You can start utilizing free resources like YouTube to learn the basic of copywriting and start applying for a freelance copywriting gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. This is considered an entry-level job, so you can start right away after you learn about the basic of copywriting, but to become a good copywriter, it does come with a lot of practice, which is why building a portfolio and gaining experiences from freelance work will help you establish your career as a copywriter. The second one is something that I personally do, and it is social media manager. In today's digital age, businesses rely heavily on social media presence to connect with the target audience. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible in managing and growing the company's social media presence in various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Take a look of your current skills and experience in social media. Are you proficient in using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok? Do you have experience creating content and managing online communities? Do you know how to do keyword research and social media analytics? Practice your social media management skill by creating and managing your own profile or manage social media accounts for friends, family, or local businesses. I would highly recommend to join a digital marketing course where you can learn all the basics about digital marketing, and you'll get to utilize these skills as a social media manager or as a digital marketing in general. To be more exposed to the job opportunity, you want to connect with the fellow social media manager, whether it's from networking events or online communities. Building this type of relationship with digital marketer or business owners can open up a lot of opportunities in the future. The next job is UI UX designer. If you have a knack for design or you are interested in user experience, then this might be the perfect role for you. This is a type of job that's in high demand right now, and to get started, I would highly recommend to join an online courses because it will save you a lot of time from learning all the basic techniques and skills that you need to get started with this role. One of the best UI UX design course is the one by Course Careers. Their program offers essential topics like user research, wireframing, prototyping, visual design, and usability testing. Having all the material structured in a course like this will help you learn in a most efficient way. And know that you don't have to go to college and pay like a lot of tuition to learn this skill. For example, here in Course Careers, it only costs $499 and you can even do the payment plan for $150 per month. And of course, I have a discount code for you guys, so if you use my link down below, you'll get a $50 off. The next job is to become a language tutor. Teaching language online is a popular option for a digital nomad. With the rise of online courses, there's a growing demand for a language tutor to connect with students around the world and help them improve their language skills. To get started, you want to determine which language that you're proficient in and comfortable teaching. This could be your native language or a language that you learn extensively. For example, I can teach Chinese because I have passed the SSK6 or the highest proficiency of Chinese language. So even though Chinese is not my native language, I can teach that to another language learners who want to learn Chinese. While not always required, obtaining a teaching certificate or completing a language teaching course can enhance your credibility as a language tutor. To find a job, you can start promoting your service on your social media, language learning forums, and online communities. There's also an online platform like italki where you can sign up and become an online language tutor. Next one is user-generated content or UGC creator. Have you noticed that instead of spending their marketing budget on big commercial, brands are more likely to invest that amount of money to some creators, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, to promote their products or service more authentically. This is what we call user-generated content. This is one of the things that has allowed me to travel full-time while experiencing a lot of cool experience and excursions. Because with UGC, you don't need a huge amount of following. Brand pays you to create a content that then they will use and upload in their own social media platforms. I only had around 2,000 or 3,000 followers at that time when I started doing UGC. It has allowed me to work in a most fun way, like going to a resort, a hotel. I tried paramotor for the first time in Thailand, and I just came back from Ubud to do a brand collaboration at a villa there and a unique fine dining experience. If you want to start UGC, I do have a guidebook that will guide you through the step-by-step on how you can revamp your social media, how to reach out to brand, creating your portfolio, as well as the email that you can use to start working with brands. So if you want to start landing all of this cool collaboration and excursion and getting paid to do that, then you can click the link in my description box below. Next one is human resource. As an HR, you'll be responsible and play a crucial role in managing and developing a company's workforce. So whether it's recruiting new talent, handling employee relations, or implementing HR policy. So if you want something more stable where you can work full-time for a company, I think this is a perfect role for you. You can start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamental of human resource management. Course Career also has a course where you can learn all the skills you need as an HR. You'll learn all the important skills and also save more money and time, because by the end they also help you prepare for the job search. So they do help you prepare for an interview before you start looking for the remote job at websites like We Work Remotely, FlexJob, or LinkedIn. The last but not least is dropshipping. If you don't want to find a job but you want to create your own business, then dropshipping might be the perfect option for you. You can start your own e-commerce business without the hassle of managing inventory by becoming a dropshipper. So you will sell products directly from the supplier to the customer while taking a cut of profit along the way. To get started, you want to focus on a niche or a product that you want to sell. It is essential to pick a niche or a product that has a high demand on the market. After that, you want to find a reliable suppliers. You can look for suppliers with a wide range of products, competitive pricing, and reliable shipping methods. Platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress are popular websites where you can find a reliable suppliers. Then you can create an online store or an e-commerce to showcase your products and start attracting customers. You can do this by building your own social media platforms or use platforms like Shopify that offer user-friendly tools and templates to setting up your page so you can get started immediately. And that's it for this video. I hope it gives you some ideas if you want to start looking into working remotely as a digital nomad, where you can have the freedom to work from anywhere you want. And it's not necessarily just to travel, but if you just want to have the location freedom to work even from the house or spend more time with your family, finding a remote job can be the best solution for you. There's a lot of online resources and online courses that you can take, but again, do your own research and pick an online course that will be beneficial and help you pursue your dream, which is why I highly recommend Course Careers. And if you want to start with their courses, remember I have a discount code for you guys. You can get it by simply clicking the link in the description box below. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!